Hello everyone, friends. This is Welver. Today I'll show you how to set up an SMTP server for Gmail. For this, let's go to our Gmail. We need to access our account settings. Here we need to go to Data and Privacy and click App in the search. Yes, that's the password for applications. Password. But first you need to enable two-factor authentication. To do this, go to Security and select two-factor authentication here. Then click Enable. I'll turn it on now. After that, go back and type app passwords again. Let's go here. Accordingly. Let's name our password application. In our case, it's an SMTP server. Click Create. And here's my password for this device. I'm copying it. I'll go to SMTP test tool and enter my email address here. Here I'll paste our password that we copied. The port will be 465. SSL username is our email address. Next, from our email address, I made a mistake. Here you need to put smtpgmail.com, gmail.com, and the email you want to send to. Let's use this one. And click test. And everything has been sent successfully. That's all. This was Welver. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, everyone. Good luck to everyone. Goodbye, everyone.